B. Vijay Sai Reddy, not present. The next speaker is Sri Sujit Kumar.
Thank you, sir. From Lok Sabha.
Yes, please.
Sir, this is a very welcome and major step to implement the much needed financial reforms in our country. And I particularly commend the Honorable Finance Minister and her team for bringing this bill barely a couple of months after the economic survey of 2019-20, which advocated the benefits of enabling financial contract netting in India. Sir, netting is a very common practice in advanced economies, and most of the advanced financial jurisdictions such as US, UK, Japan, Singapore, Canada, they have legal provisions in place for netting agreements. But as of now, bilateral netting of financial contract is not allowed in India, and this has had a huge negative impact on banks and the financial market transactions. As the Honorable Member, Sri Suresh Prabhuji was pointing out, establishing this legal framework will bring huge liquidity in the financial market and also bring the much needed innovation and innovative instruments in the financial market, sir. It will also reduce the credit risk and regulatory capital burden of banks and free up capital which is otherwise locked up in bilateral transactions for productive uses. Sir, as according to RBI estimates, close to 2,000 crore is locked up because of non-availability of these financial frameworks, legal financial framework. So, sir, to conclude, all I will say is that this is a very important milestone which will improve the financial health of our nation by bringing in the much needed liquidity, by reducing the transaction cost, and by boosting the investor confidence. And I wholeheartedly support and welcome this bill.
Thank you. V. Vijay Sai Reddy is not present.